The Kenko Magic Portrait filter is a cheap plastic special effect filter made in Japan in the 80s. According to the manual, the filter gives the subject a more attractive figure than in real life, and those already slim can be made to look fat and vice versa. The subject must be in the center of the frame, and to get a usable image, you need to shoot at f5.6 minimum. The filter uses the same technology as anamorphic lenses, but in a very cheap way. The Kenko filter squeezes your final image by a 1.20x ratio, making objects and faces slimmer than they really are. If you're looking for image quality, the filter is not really great. So by using the filter, you will get the famous anamorphic flares. This filter is definitely not a great way to lose weight, but I would consider using it just to get real anamorphic flares for cheap. Next week, I will review another weird gadget from the 80s, made to make some amazing portraits. So make sure to subscribe and ring the bell. And please consider joining the channel to help me do more videos.